Hi Andrew, this is a really good question, so I'm just gonna make a whole video about it. I have a really good video on my YouTube channel. You can kind of access it on my profile page. It's got the little YouTube button where I have a few study plans that you can use to kind of balance when you should do untimed practice versus when you should jump into timing. So it's really good to do untimed practice when you're just starting out, because you don't know what your baseline time looks like. You need to figure that out, how long it takes you to go through the passage by itself and the questions by itself, because that will help you figure out, okay, where am I starting off? How much studying do I have to do? And what are some of the things that I have to work on? Is it reading the passage and trying to get the main idea? Or are you okay with that and then you're struggling with the questions? So yeah, do untimed practice first. And it's also really good to do untimed practice when you're trying out new strategies. So let's say you watch one of my videos about the ICE method, or you go on YouTube and you learn something new. If you want to try it out, do untimed practice for a few days with almost 3 to 4 passages, so you have a good number of passages to work with, and see how long it takes you to try out these new strategies. If your timing gradually goes down, does it affect your accuracy? So is this new strategy worth trying out, etc. But yeah, definitely check out the YouTube video I have. I have 4 different study plans, so you can figure out, okay, when do I go from untimed practice and transitioning into timed? And it's kind of just helpful to have a plan like that, so you can determine based on your case when is the best time to transition. But when you're starting off, untimed is great. But how long you should spend on untimed practice depends on how long it's taking you currently to get through a passage in the questions, your time frames, how long you have to study, and whatever the kinds of errors you're making when you're practicing. So number of factors, but check out the YouTube channel. It's very helpful, and it's been helpful for some of the students that I worked with too.